The power has come, and we must aim at ensuring that it doesn't go away at all. The responsibility now, it's you who are going to be introduced today. We are going to make sure that here you are. You've already been given the baton. Now, don't be complacent. Don't take things for granted. My main problem now is that there are many of us who are thinking that the NDC, they are prepared, they are fighting and doing everything possible to make sure that we don't get what the good work we are doing, we don't get voted in 7th December to continue. And therefore, let's all be determined. Apart from the hula baloo, apart from the jamboree, apart from the heaviness, and we are dressed all over, the work is still to be done. And I know with a little push from your end, we will get the 47 and get the majority seat, the 95% or 80% of the votes in the region. I know we are going to the other regions and tell them as well. Ghana are expecting MPP to continue doing well and make this country prosperous. Ghana are expecting that Yankama NDC for Asana Baby, no Abasicho, Nyamani Arianinala. Now we take it for granted that I had in Swafayan. My men Sufayan. Mammy and the Bibia de the Binuma Wayan party for the poor, Wayama, I don't work at all Congo to Abba. Obakana Yenye Bikula, Yapawan Chow. Work hard, make sure you, the MPs, get your executives. Good committees have been set up on paper. Good, we have all met on paper. But we came from 65 until we reach here. And it is better for us to remain in power to ensure that the good things are done for this country.